Ever feel like you're drowning in a sea of bank accounts? Different logins, confusing fees, the constant struggle to remember which card pays for what? We've all been there. That's why online banking platforms like Tide promise a simpler, more streamlined way to manage your finances. But here's the thing, can you truly ditch your traditional bank and rely solely on Tide? Well, that depends on a few factors, one of the biggest being the number of accounts you can hold. Because let's face it, some of us have separate accounts for budgeting, savings goals, or even side hustles. So, if you're considering making the switch to Tide, this question is crucial. How many accounts can you open with them? Hold on to your wallets, because the answer might surprise you. Unlike traditional banks that offer a variety of accounts, checking, savings, investment, etc., Tide focuses on a single, all-encompassing checking account. It's designed to be your financial hub, offering features like mobile check deposit, fee-free ATM access at a wide network, and real-time spending tracking. This streamlined approach might seem limiting at first. But here's the thing, Tide's checking account is packed with features that can often replace the need for multiple accounts. Let's dive deeper. Feature Frenzy, how Tide's single account can be your financial powerhouse. Goals tab, want to save up for a dream vacation or a down payment on a house? Tide's Goals tab lets you set specific targets and track your progress visually. You can even automate transfers to keep your savings on track. Envelopes, think of these as virtual pockets within your Tide account. You can allocate funds for different purposes, like groceries, gas, or entertainment. This allows you to manage your spending within a single account, mimicking the feeling of separate accounts. Instant cash advances, unexpected expense got you down? With Tide, eligible users can access a cash advance up to a certain limit, directly deposited into your account, often with no fees. This can be a lifesaver when you need a temporary cash cushion. Early paycheck access, who doesn't love getting paid a little earlier? Tide allows eligible users to access a portion of their paycheck before payday, which can be a huge perk for managing cash flow. Seamless integrations, connect your favorite budgeting apps and financial tools directly with Tide, allowing for a centralized view of your finances. But wait, there's more. Tide also offers features specifically designed for freelancers and small businesses. These include the ability to create custom invoices, send professional invoices directly through Tide, simplifying your billing process. Accept payments, get paid quickly and easily by clients through various methods. Track business expenses, easily categorize your business expenses within your Tide account, making tax filing a breeze. Essentially, Tide's single account acts as a multi-purpose financial tool. With its robust features and integrations, you can manage your personal finances, budgeting goals, and even basic business needs all in one place. The verdict, one size fits many, but not all. So, while you can't technically open multiple accounts with Tide in the traditional sense, its single account is surprisingly versatile. Here's who Tide might be perfect for. Individuals who crave a streamlined approach to banking. Freelancers and small business owners who need basic financial management tools. Anyone seeking a mobile-first banking experience with real-time spending tracking. However, if you require more complex banking features like investment options or wealth management services, Tide might not be the complete solution. The final takeaway. Tide's single account approach offers a refreshingly simple way to manage your finances. While it might not replace the need for every single type of traditional bank account, its innovative features and focus on budgeting tools make it a compelling option for many. Ultimately, the decision depends on your individual financial needs. Do your research, consider your priorities, and see if Tide's unique approach can be your financial game changer. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.